Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Round number 2 on this Monday, the 14th, I do believe. Amazon Prime unboxing to do. And hopefully you guys are alright. Everybody is safe, staying warm. And today we have German Tech. Oh man. And of course, you guys can get one at a low cost. Click on the link down below. Check them out. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime, fast shipping, boom. Definitely like how Amazon takes pictures of the packages left on the porch and stuff. That's really cool. And pretty much shipping has been on point, no damages to items and stuff like that. So definitely really good. Oh man, I see something we have here. It's so cold out. I wish I could go outside and show you guys, but maybe I could get it off in here. We have, boom, REDPAWZ R011 mini FPV gyroscope aircraft drone. So check them out, YouTube. Check them out. Links will be down below. All the good stuff. Mini goggles it comes with. So kind of like a VR drone. Pretty cool. Something different. Be great for birthday gifts, graduations, housewarming, just all the good stuff right here. The manual. Here we go. Nice mini remote, handheld. Got some buttons. Whoa. Check those out. Kind of sharp. Awesome. Batteries too. And we have here. Whoa. This is a tiny little guy. I got a cam. Alright. Oh, that's probably for the glasses, I think. Go. Oh, yep. There's Wi-Fi, USB, and looks like a harness or clip. Come on out. These must be the goggles. Oh, that's a strap for the goggles for the VR. That's what those are. All right. There we go. See inside. Turn these on. Remove the package. More batteries. Oh, they got scan. Alright, let me give you a second. Put you guys down. Pick you guys up. Where is the... Oh, we got some stuff here. USB, screwdriver. Sweet. All in one. Extra propellers. USB charge. Where's the antenna? Here it is. Oh, there it is. But we got this open. Yeah. Oh, we got some wipes. Excess dirt. Another USB charge for the headset. Screw that in pretty good. Focus like so. Put that on your head. Boom. Put that right there. Look at this little guy though. Oh man. Got the eyes if you want to touch it up. Get some Google eyes. Where is the power button? I see something. 1 sec. I might have to charge it. Shoot. Let's see this little dude. Plug him in. Plug right there. Somehow. Oh, there we go. It's flashing. Now let's see if I got any action in here in this thing. But I think I have to charge it up. See nothing. Well, let me get the screwdriver and put some batteries in this thing. I might have to pause it and charge that up. Gotta see what's going on with that situation. But we will see, though. It should be easy. This little screwdriver right here. One little tiny screw. Kind of hard to do it with one hand. Almost there. There we go. Oh, that's out. Nice and easy. Let's see what size batteries. AAA. I do have those on standby. Get those rolling in. But I gotta see also the how to turn that thing on. The headset. Boom. And a boom. And a boom. Got the Amazon ones. So you might want to stock up on them. Where's the screw? Uh-oh. Lost the screw. Well, we might not need it. Let's see if it's ready for takeoff. Oh. Holy moly. I am horrible at flying these things, as you could tell. Oh. Oh, come on. Whoa. All right. I got this. Whoa. Oh, almost had it. No. Well, you guys catch my drift on what it does. But I can't get it off the ground. Oh. No. Oh boy, let me see this camera thing though, or the VR glasses. I think I might have to charge it. Come on. Yeah, there's no other on and off buttons besides these guys right here. See, there it is right there, the power. Yeah, it needs charging. Dang. Alright, let me grab, I believe it's this one. No, that's for the drone. This one right here. Give me a second. I'm gonna pause you guys in about 2 seconds, just in case I definitely need to charge. But it's easy to set up. But if it's for your younger kids, definitely set it up the night before and charge it, so it'll be good to go. And like I said, you guys can get one at low cost. Just click on the links down below, check them out, and it's gonna take a 1 minute pause break, or maybe a couple minutes. See ya. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. Charged up. Got the screen, the camera going, and it picks up where you fly and stuff. And you can adjust the brightness. I don't know if you guys can see, but this thing is sweet. There you go. Contrast, brightness, channel, input channel. There it is. See the camera? Oh man, I thought I charged it fully, you know. Oh boy. Try to turn it on again. There we go. Sweet. Now I had this working a minute ago. Now it won't work. But the camera is really clear. Take that outside with you. Oh, alrighty, sorry about that, YouTubers. The camera battery died, so we're back on though. This has like a 5-minute flight time, so not too bad for a mini drone. What else it does? Working. A bunch of other stuff, different bands, band 1 through 5. There we go, all the good stuff. Like I said, link is going to be down below. Get one of these drones. Oops. See if I can get it to fly. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, somewhat. Ooh. That was pretty heavy. And like I said, camera, once you turn it on, it'll be on. Should be charged enough now. There we go. Really good camera though. Whoa. Like I said, I'm not that good at flying these, but really cool stuff. And get an early jump on Christmas, and get one now at a low cost. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good Monday, and see you guys back possibly tomorrow. Till then, see ya.